Good evening. Did you hear something about Agent Smith? Maybe yes, some of you. But what is this Agent Smith? Agent Smith is a malware, and this has spoiled many Android devices throughout the world. More than 25 million devices have been spoiled. And once this is there in any mobile, this will slowly disrupt various other apps. So this is a very dangerous one. And regarding that, we will be discussing. So there are so many points to be discussed today. First, we'll begin with the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Harivansh Narayan Singh, who has been elected very recently. But some political parties in the Rajya Sabha, they have decided to move a resolution to remove him. But how do you remove him? In order to remove Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman, 14 days advance notice has to be given. After that, if a resolution is passed to that effect, he is considered to be removed. And whether it is going to be, the successful or not, we need to wait. But what was the reason? Very recently, we saw pandemonium in Rajya Sabha. Government wanted to push the bills, but opposition parties in the Rajya Sabha, they deliberately wanted that there should be voting, and the voting should be through division, not by voice vote. But the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha, who was sitting in the chairman of Rajya Sabha, has accepted only for the voice vote, and opposition party members got angry, and they have created a pandemonium, and there was lots of disturbance that we witnessed in Rajya Sabha. And finally, they have decided to move a resolution for his removal, and we need to wait and watch. Next, we have many things like this to discuss. Let me straight away open the document, and I'll show you the first point for today. Have a look at this. Have a look at this very closely. Industrial Relations Code Bill 2020. Important, especially with respect to economy. Industrial Relations Code Bill of 2020 has raised the threshold for the requirement of a standing order over 50 workers, 100 workers, 200 workers, or 300 workers. Answer is option D, 300 workers. Look at this very clearly. It has raised the threshold for the requirement of a standing order to over 300 workers, which implies the industrial establishments with up to 300 workers will not be required to furnish a standing order. So this is the meaning of this, and please remember it has been raised to 300 workers. Now this is what I was discussing with you. Which article of the Constitution deals with the removal of a deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha? During our polity classes, we have already discussed, and you know the answer. Answer is option C, that is Article 90. Right? And look at this. There may be, the vacancy in the Rajya Sabha deputy chairman can be created if he ceases to be a member of Rajya Sabha. And whenever a deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha wants to resign, resignation letter will be submitted to the chairman of Rajya Sabha. And definitely you remember that vice president is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. We know that, right? But in the absence of chairman of Rajya Sabha, deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha will execute the functions of the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. In the same capacity, he was performing his duties in the Rajya Sabha, but protested by the opposition parties. Of course, every political party has got its own demands. Now, he can be removed. He can removed by passing a resolution by a majority of all the then members of the Rajya Sabha. But the only thing is, such a resolution can be moved only after giving 14 days advance notice. Hopefully, you know every point because we have discussed this under various classes. Another important one. How many countries are present in Asia Pacific trade? This is important. Answer is D, that is 7. But why is it there in the news? Look at this. Asia Pacific Trade Agreement. It was previously named the Bangkok Agreement, which was signed in 1975. Clear? And its previous name was Bangkok Agreement. Now it is called Asia Pacific Trade Agreement, where you have 7 countries as the members in this. Clear? Now, another important one, this we have already discussed few days back. Feluda, which is in the news, is the name of vaccine, asteroid, drug, or name of COVID testing. Hope you remember this. It is the name of COVID testing. Look at this. 5 months after it was developed by 2 scientists at the Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, the Feluda test to detect the presence of coronavirus has received a nod from the Drug Controller General of India for a commercial launch. That's the reason why. So this is there in the news, right? And it is Feluda. It is the name of COVID testing. Next, another very important thing. As per the household social consumption, which was conducted up to the year 2018, and the report has been released recently with respect to this education in India. With respect to education in India, the state with the highest literacy rate in India is, important one, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, Kerala. Since beginning, this is Kerala. Even now also, Kerala is at number 1 position. Answer is D. Look at this very clearly. Recently, the household social consumption, right? And this national sample survey was conducted from July 2017 to June 2018, and the report was released. And look at this, and the study has pegged the overall literacy rate in India is about 77.7%. And if you look at our states, Kerala is at the highest level with a 96.2% literacy. Very, 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 very important. Clear? Kerala has once again emerged as the most literate state in India, and which is the state at the bottom, while Andhra Pradesh featured at the bottom with a rate of 66.4%. Clear? Very, 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 very important one. And you just go through all these things when I share this document with you. And what is the name of the new commercial arm of ISRO? It was also discussed earlier. New Space India Corporation, New Space India Limited, Bharat Antariksha Kendra, are none of the above, and the answer is New Space India Limited. Right? We have discussed this earlier also. Now, Agent Smith is the name of, I told you already, and the answer is option A, that is malware, right? Look at this. It's a new variant of mobile malware which has quietly infected around 25 million Android devices globally, and it will slowly disrupt all other apps that are existing over there. Fine. So that's all for the day, and I'll stop at this stage and see you in the next class with more and more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.